Hello children, today we are going to start with our chapter 2, The Living World. List the things seen in the picture, say whether they are living or non-living things. Observe it carefully. Okay, let's see which are living things. Boy, a girl, dog, trees. Right. Non-living things. Fan, kite, ball, bucket, house. Right. How do you identify living things and non-living things? Living things grow, move, breathe, eat, reproduce, and non-living things do not grow, do not move, do not breathe, do not eat, and do not reproduce. There are many kinds of plants and animals around us. They show some similarities and some differences. Yet, with the help of certain features, we can tell that they are all living things. What do you mean by characteristics? The characteristics of person or thing are qualities or features that belong to them and make them recognizable. Let us study these characteristics of living things. Let us begin with our first characteristic, that is growth. What differences do you see between the young ones and the adults in the picture? Young ones are small in size, height and weight. As they start growing, during the period, the body gains in height, weight and strength. In the same manner, all animals grow into adult in a certain period. Generally, humans require 18 to 21 years for this growth. Try this. Day 1. Tie a thread to a tip of potted sapling. Keep the thread stretched and tie it to a nail. What did you observe after 10 to 15 days? Then after 10 days, I have clicked one more picture. When plants grow, there is increase in width and height of the stem. Some plants develop branches while others lack these. Plants keep on growing till they are alive. The growth of living things is from within the body and in all parts of the body. Your brain power and tell what differences do you see in the growth of these plants. During growth of these plants, you see that the coconut plant is grown tall without branches, and in the banyan tree we see that the branches are grown and there are some sub branches along with the branch. Let's move on with our next characteristics, that is food is necessary for growth. Plants are autotrophic and animals are heterotrophic. Plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. This process is called as photosynthesis. They look green because of chlorophyll in them. Whereas animals do not produce their own food, they search for food. Animals which eat plants are called as herbivorous, and animals which eat flesh are called carnivorous. The animals which eat plants as well as flesh are called as omnivorous. Hold your hand in front of your nose or keep your hand on your chest. What do you feel? All living things breathe. Animals, insects, plants, fish are all living things and they all breathe. Different kinds of living things breathe in different ways. But all living things need oxygen in order to stay alive. Inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide is called respiration. Animals like fish, snake, Mouse, etc. have specific organs for respiration. Even plants respire by microscopic pores on their stems and leaves. Can you recall? Is all the food we eat used by our body? Some part is not essential or not digested is thrown out of our body. What is the unused part of food converted into? The unused food is converted into excreta. As you can see in the first picture, leaves also excrete, and in this we can see that plants excrete through water. The waste or the excess water is thrown out like this way. And in the second picture we see that the excreted part is thrown out in the way of shredded leaves. The waste substances formed during different process by animals is called excreta, and the process of elimination of waste products from the body is called excretion. Specialized organs present in the animals for excretion are called excretory organs. Try this. Take a transparent bag, tie it over a leaf of a plant as shown in the picture. Observe it after 6 to 7 hours. What do you see? Droplets of water collect on inside of the bag. It means that plants excrete water in form of vapor.